If you want one tip without asking me the reason and the science because हिसाब बराबर करना चाह रहा हूँ जब तक भूख नहीं लगे तब तक मत खाना टाइमिंग के हिसाब से खाने की जरूरत नहीं है
What's happening? What are you doing?
Nothing I just shaved and dyed
Don't
my
say
hair
that.
So I've realized that nobody's going to design a movie for me
Mothers want your full chikna and the way you work. And the girlfriends and wives are like, please, yaar, what is this, you know, like.
Everything.
No, you will be kind to one thing.
Jalsa.
बस वही चाहिए.
No, I would scam him of his longevity and relevancy
know,
in the industry.
I know,
पहले आप देखो कि आपके अंदर कितना वजूद और कितनी ताकत है वो कहानी बताने की. अब कोई आके कह रहा है कि हमने आपके अकाउंट में इतने पैसे डाल दिए. मैंने कहा तूने खोला कैसे अकाउंट डालने के लिए? और कभी-कभी बैंक वाले भी एहसास दिलाते कि भाई तुम 7 रुपए के ले आ जाते हो.
I just thought कि यार इसमें ना करने लायक कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब I should be a part of this.
I probably would have loved to play a Radhe Mohan, but maybe a certain filmmaker doesn't see me in that light.
You design your own project. I did Rocketry. Nobody saw the merit of that. I would like to scam him to know what perfume he uses.
Whenever I'm at my lowest, I only think of that man. To be very honest, because his journey has been so inspiring.
हम हैं स्तुति के साथ on Fever FM.
Hi guys, welcome to Fever FM. मैं हूँ स्तुति and हिसाब बराबर literally and metaphorically यहाँ पे हो रहा है. अगर ट्रेलर आपने देखा है तो हिसाब के बहुत पक्के हैं. R. Madhavan is here. Welcome to Fever FM.
Thank you, Stuti.
Kirti Kulhari, Neil Nitin Mukesh. So happy to be chatting with all three of you for this new film.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Stuti.
एक बड़े correct time में ये film आ रही है. A lot of scams are happening. A lot of people are now scared to pick up unknown numbers or reply to emails and all of that. So एक माहौल तो बन गया है. What was it that attracted you to the script when it was offered to you?
Exactly what you said.
Yeah.
You know, I was getting all these SMSs and texts and emails, and then they make you feel so insecure about your own money and your own account. तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो गलत बात है. एक ज़माने में पासबुक हुआ करता था and you know exactly the amount of money you had in the bank. अब कोई आके कह रहा है कि हमने आपके अकाउंट में इतने पैसे डाल दिए. मैंने कहा तूने खोला कैसे अकाउंट डालने के लिए? और फिर हमने इतने उठा लिए क्योंकि आपका ये थोड़ा डिले हो गया. तो यू नो या एप्पल आके मुझसे कहता है कि आपका ये सब्सक्रिप्शन हमने उठा लिया. या नेटफ्लिक्स ये कहता है, यू नो सारे जो
they keep cutting like ऐसे हाँ we are deducting this.
हमको पता ही नहीं चलता कि हर महीने का क्या सब्सक्रिप्शन जा रहा है. तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे भैया आपको जो लेना है ले लो, मुझे क्यों इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हो. बट ये फिल्म उसी के बारे में है कि आम आदमी के लिए ये बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. छोटे छोटे अमाउंट्स आपके अकाउंट से अगर कटते हैं तो वो झिझकता है बैंक से जाके पूछने के लिए कि भाई हमने क्या गलती कर दी कि आपने काटा क्यों है. और कभी कभी बैंक वाले भी एहसास दिलाते कि भाई तुम 7 रुपए के ले आ जाते हो. एंड ये 7 रुपए आपसे काट के इसका होता क्या है और अगर इसका गलत इस्तेमाल हो तो ये किस तरीके से यू नो आप ही को
cumulative effect of इतने सारे
people lose their lives for this small amount of money, and that is what the film is is all about. So when I heard the script, I knew I had to tell that story.
Lovely. Kirti, we are very used to seeing you playing characters that have agency, that demand a certain screen presence.
It's become boring now, na?
It's become boring. I thought that's so cool that you kind of.
No, I'm just like reflecting on it. I'm like, मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही मतलब मैं ऐसे ही कुछ बहुत सारे किरदार, of course different characters.
That was not a conscious decision.
No, it is, yeah, it is. I mean, it's honestly, I do not look at when I'm choosing a character. I am very okay playing someone who's on the other side, who is absolutely on the other spectrum of empowerment, someone who's not independent, someone who's actually a victim of something.
Yeah.
So I also like to, choose those characters because, lekin having said that, while there is a category of strong, independent women, empowered women, उस कैटेगरी में बहुत अलग अलग लोग होते हैं, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई एंड अप चूजिंग सो मेनी ऑफ देम हु आर डिफरेंट, हु आर इन दैट बॉक्स बट स्टिल वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, राइट. मुझे बहुत मतलब कहानी जैसा मैरी ने कहा, आई फाउंड द सब्जेक्ट वेरी फ्रेश. आई फाउंड द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इट इवन फ्रेशर. एक कॉमेडी के साथ में एक स्कैम को वीव करना इज समथिंग दैट रियली इंटरेस्टेड मी. And I had a wonderful, I was in love with P. Subhash, different aspects of her, and just the fact that Maddie was there, it was written so well, Ashwini sir was there, Neil came a little later. I just thought कि यार इसमें ना करने लायक कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब I should be a part of this.
Neil, you're not scared to be hated.
Been there, done that.
Yeah.
You know, being bad has always been good for me. But I think, like both of them mentioned, that the story is fantastic. It's I think the biggest hero of the film, and Ashwini sir has written it really well and directed it really well. For me, I think most of my times as a career handicap for me, where sometimes, you know, from a certain sect of an audience, you think that, oh, he's, you know, maybe the looks, you know, could be that of a, you know, commercial hero, etc. But that also is my big handicap. So I don't get to do films or play characters that I might want to. I probably would have loved to play a Radhe Mohan, but maybe a certain filmmaker doesn't see me
like
in that light. But I still want to be a part of that film. I still want to be a part of that storytelling process. So I make a conscious effort of also trying to find those kind of films of which I can be a part of, because I think it's more important to reach out to an audience from anyone's perspective, you know. And I think most of the times I've been able to do that and go on the other side of playing maybe an antagonist, but still be an integral part of the storytelling process of the journey of a certain protagonist. Yeah.
I think you make such an important point. जो longevity is career is industry में चाहिए to keep working. You know, you're so right when you say sometimes you're craving to do different kinds of roles, but people just don't see that, and that can be very frustrating for an actor, for an artist. कि why can't you see me do what I think I can?
Right.
How does one overcome that? How does one deal with that?
You design your own project. I did Rocketry. Nobody saw the merit of that. I saw it and I wanted to do it. So over a period of time, people think, how can I make a movie? It's very simple. Steven Spielberg has said it, and many people. यार आपको एक कहानी बतानी है, पहले आप देखो कि आपके अंदर कितना वजूद और कितनी ताकत है वो कहानी बताने की. आपको लगता है कि आप उस किरदार को अच्छी तरह निभा पाओगे? How strongly do you feel about it? Once those two forces get together, the means find you. It's just a desire to make it happen.
Yeah.
So I've realized that nobody's going to design a movie for me, because they don't know me enough to know what I'm capable of doing.
I take things in my own hands.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, you know, if I have to do Shaitan, I have to say yes to it. But I also have to have somebody who believes ki, yaar, actually, why not look at Maddie for Shaitan? So I think you have to put that idea out in the universe and manifest it and make it happen yourself.
We are here in the midst of R. Madhavan. Okay? I cannot ignore this. जो physical transformation आपने Rocketry में on screen दिखाई वो तो एक है. But recently you were pamped and everywhere was, what is this elixir of youth? This man has gone, he is aging in reverse.
Now I'm aged back.
Like, Rehna hai tere dil mein 3 layer, we keep going back. What's happening? What are you doing?
Nothing, I just shaved and dyed
Don't
my
say
hair.
that. No.
I didn't do anything else. I mean, I was shooting for a movie which had this look, and then I had to shoot another movie which was clean shaven. So I just shaved, and my mother said, that's how I want to see you. So I said, okay. And then suddenly I had to go for an event, and I got papped, and everybody said, Pata nahi yaar, I honestly
I like
speaking.
how lightly you take it.
No,
but
I'm saying there is
But that's the right way to take it, honestly. Not let it get to your head and be like, oh, okay. I mean, it's like...
What I'm saying is, it happens when I shave, right? It's not like I went and prepped for it and got some facial or laser. Or
But they want to hear that you actually
Can I
prep
just
for
say,
it.
guys, you actually look nice without the beard.
My wife doesn't like me without
You
the
know, I
beard.
was just going to say that this is a conflict between girlfriends and mothers.
Yeah.
Mother is
Mothers
like,
want your full chikna and the way you
Now you
work.
look like
And the
that.
girlfriends and wives are like, please, yaar, what is this? You know, like, get some...
chicken and tikka masala. So
Exactly.
Sarita's like, you look better and more manly with a beard and a mustache. And then mom's like, you know, I like you, Ladla. So basically, it's nothing.
Were you yourself surprised? Ki, Arey,
No, I'm like, just let me do my character. That's it. Yeah, I don't take my looks very seriously. As you would see in all the pictures, I get papped. I'm terrible at posing on my clothes or my costumes. I'm just glad that my work speaks for me, or else I'll be nowhere.
No, that of course it does. But this is the first month of the year. So abhi bhi logon ke health resolutions are, you know, people should
very
remember.
fresh.
So give
Correct.
us some, I'm sure there's some discipline that you follow.
Absolutely. If you want one tip, without asking me the reason and the science,
Yeah,
because
we
हिसाब
will
बराबर
use it.
करना चाह रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
जब तक भूख नहीं लगे तब तक मत खाना. टाइमिंग के हिसाब से खाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
That's a good point. Yeah, lovely. Okay.
Actually
now,
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जब भूख लगे तभी खाना.
लेकिन जब भूख लगे तो खा लेना, अदरवाइज एम्प्टी
नहीं
स्टमक
नहीं,
लीड्स
भूख
टू
लगने तक आप वेट करो।
हाँ आई एम सेइंग
ये
बट
जब
लगे
तक-
तब कुछ डाल लेना बॉडी में।
नो नहीं डालो भी तो चलेगा, but हमारे पास इतना चर्बी है कि नहीं डालो तो 3 दिन के लिए कुछ नहीं चलता। मुझे लगता है कि वो टाइमिंग में खा के ना, वो मतलब पूरा थीसिस मैंने किया है इसके बारे में, एक बार कभी बात करूंगा, बट डोंट लेट हंगर बी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ।
Lovely. Okay, we are going to follow this. अभी because आपने इतने स्कैम और कैसे बचे और उस सब की बात की है, तो एक क्विक गेम with the three of
Nice.
you.
गेम खेलते हैं, चलो
हाँ यार
यार,
गेम
हाँ।
खेलते हैं।
We'll end it with this.
All right.
Okay. What would you like to scam the following celebrities for?
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan,
I would like to scam him to know what perfume he uses.
Kangna Ranaut.
I want to. Am I answering everything?
Why don't you answer?
I want to know where she. I want to scam her for her grit and her conviction. Yeah, I'm in awe of that.
Lovely.
Scam
Amir-
मतलब उसे
हाँ,
छीनना
yeah,
चाहता हूँ
yeah,
मैं, हपनाना
yeah,
चाहता हूँ, हड़पना
yeah,
चाहता
yeah.
हूँ।
Okay. Amir Khan.
Amir Khan for his the way he understands the business side of industry and his marketing skills, like his
Amitabh Bachchan.
Everything.
Ah, everything. I want to scam Bachchan Saab of everything.
No, we'll be kind to one thing.
Jalsa.
Okay.
बस वही चाहिए।
No, I would scam him of his longevity and relevancy
know,
in the
man.
in the industry.
I know, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't think anybody has been able to
Still
maintain
going
that.
And his involvement,
Yeah,
he's
and,
like
and
he's
the awe that
into
he's
it.
able to generate even now.
And his energy, his sheer,
मतलब that's why I said at the beginning में
Yeah.
all.
तुम लोगों ने मिलजुल के सब कुछ
सब-
ले लिया
सब ले
eventually
लिया है।
actually
कोई
yeah.
बात नहीं.
No, I mean, to be honest, now that we're talking about it, whenever I'm at my lowest, I only think of that man. To be very honest, because his journey has been so inspiring through what he's been through in his personal life, his hospitalization, etc., his financial downfall, his comebacks.
Yeah.
If he can do it, all of us, need
Yeah.
to learn a lesson. Yeah.
Lovely. An inspiration for everyone.
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar.
His fitness, abhi,
Yeah.
matlab at his, I won't say his age because I'm just saying I'm close to his age. But if I can do half the workouts he does,
Yeah, it's
I would
incredible.
like to scam that for sure. Like up now that.
John Abraham.
John Abraham, scam him for his bikes, maybe.
Yeah.
his collection of bikes is incredible.
Lovely. Thank you guys. You're a
Thank
fun
you.
bunch. I'm
Thank
glad
you.
we ended with
Thank
this
you.
game.
Thanks, Tuti.
Thank
And
you,
all the
Stuti.
best for Hisab Barabar.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.